Hi everyone, we're going to create a beautiful boho chic hairstyle. Now through the very middle of the hair like this, I'm going to braid the hair. Now to braid the hair, I'm going to do a raised braid by adding the sections underneath. This is a really important part of the hairstyle. Once I've got that all braided, I'm going to start adding pieces from the side like this. And I'm going to take it under the braid like so. And once I've gone under, I'm going to grip that into place. So we'll take that there, put a hair grip under, and I'm going to repeat the same on the opposite side. Now, once I've got all that done, I'm going to go to the middle area. I'm going to pull at the middle area to create a real softness. And then I'm going to braid each of the sides by leaving little pieces out as I do my braid, like this. Hey, for the full tutorial, just become a member today of my Access Long Hair Members Club. This is a fantastic hairstyle to add into your creative work. Look at this now for a beautiful style.